Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a IsDone.dll or Unarc.dll error. So you can encounter this problem when you are installing the game or try to a decompress or extract the file with a large size. So let's get started. So for the brief information, the is.dll and RDL error windows in Windows 10 or 11 is mostly related to the installation of PC games as well as program of large size. Here we go. Large games or program have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. This eats up your PC RAM as well as hard drive. While installation, if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So to fix it, you can increase Windows page file or virtual memory. You can hold Windows button and R. Here we go. You can try to type sysdm.cpl and click OK. You can click Advanced. You can click again performance settings and again advanced. This one virtual memory. You can change and tick automatically manage paging file size for all hard drives. And here you can click on custom size. You can fill the initial size in megabyte and maximum size in megabyte. So here for most games 2.5 gigabyte is enough. So the value which will work in most cases is 403,000. So is the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 gigabyte. Again, so you have to learn about it based on your RAM on your laptop or on your PC. So you can search again on the internet about how you can fill this custom size on virtual memory. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the next button below. See you.